So, very good morning, children. Welcome to online classes of Lyall Public School. Okay, I'm Pooja Sharma, your science teacher. And how are you all? I hope you all are taking good take care of yourself. And today we will continue our chapter number 1, food are basic needs. Okay, we have also studied about what is food, what kinds of food we have eat. And what we will study in this chapter, we will study in this chapter about nutrients, balanced diet, cooking food, preservation of food, and what is the importance of rest and exercise in our life. Okay. Then we have also discussed about nutrients, the substance present in our food that help our body to grow and stay healthy are called nutrients. And we have discussed about macronutrients and micronutrients. Nutrients that are required in large amount is called macronutrients, and nutrients that are required in small amount is called micronutrients. Okay, in macronutrients we have discussed about carbohydrate, fats, and proteins. Okay, carbohydrate is a nutrient that present in food and it gives us instant energy. Okay, so food items that is rich in carbohydrate are known as energy giving food. Okay, next nutrient is fat. It also gives us energy and it give more energy than carbohydrate and it's keep our body warm. Okay, and third nutrients is proteins, and protein helps us to grow, and food items that are rich in protein are known as body building foods. Clear? Next, we have discussed about vitamins, that vitamins also need our body in small amount, and vitamin A, B, C are examples of vitamins. Okay. Next is minerals. Minerals are also important for us and it has also its a particular function. Clear? Now our next topic is water. Yes. Water is essential for our body to stay healthy and function properly. Water also helps in digestion of food. Yes. And it make up 1/3 of our body weight. And blood also contain lots of water which carries oxygen to all the cells of body for the proper functioning of cell. So therefore we must drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. It helps in our digestion and elimination of waste. Next is roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in our food. It cannot be digested by our body, but it helps to remove undigested food from our body. Okay, जो roughage है उसे fibers को ही हम roughage कहते हैं. Okay, ये plants का part है. Okay, ये plant food है. It is a portion of plant food such as whole grain, nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables that your body cannot digest. Okay, and it helps to clean our digestive system. It is important for the proper functioning of our digestive system. Whole grains, brown rice, salads, fruits, and vegetables are rich in roughage. Okay, ये जितने भी food items हैं, like whole grains हैं, जो grains हम खाते हैं, wheat, rice, maize, brown rice हैं, salads हैं, fruits and vegetables में क्या present होता है? Fiber present है, जिसे हम roughage कहते हैं. Okay, and ये हमारी body में digest नहीं होता है, but हमारे undigested food part है, but ये हमारे digestion में का जो functioning है, उसमें हमारी help करता है. Clear? And it also maintain our body weight and helps to eliminate our body waste. Now, next, write T for true and F for false statement. Here are some statements that we discussed. First one is food gives us energy to work and play. Food हमें work करने के लिए and play करने के लिए energy देता है. So this statement is true. You can write here T. Next one is bread and idli are energy giving food. Yes, because this is related to carbohydrates food items. जो है ना, ये carbohydrate rich food items हैं and it gives us energy. तो हम इसे energy giving foods कहते हैं. Okay, so this statement is also true. Next one is growing children needs more fats as they are still growing. Okay, जो growing children है, grow कर रहे हैं, grow up हो रहे हैं, उन्हें fats का ज़्यादा need रहता है, requirement रहता है. So this statement is false because we have already discussed that protein help us to in growing. Okay, growth में हमारी growth में कौन help करता है? हमारा protein जो nutrients है वो हमारी growth में help करता है, not fat. Okay, so this statement is false. Next one is fat give less energy than carbohydrate. This statement is also false because fats give more energy than carbohydrate. Next, fifth one is fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. This statement is true. Fruits and vitamins are rich in vitamins and minerals present होते हैं fruits and vegetables में, and they protect us from diseases. वो हमें diseases से protect करते हैं, इसलिए हम उन्हें protective food भी कहते हैं. Okay, so fruits and vegetables are rich in vitamins and minerals. This statement is true. So here we are discussing about some types of vitamins and their function, sources of food, and which type of diseases they can cause if you are not eating proper amount of vitamins. Okay, so first one is vitamin A, and the function of this vitamin A is keeps eyesight strong, help us in normal growth. And the food item which is rich in vitamin A are carrots, spinach, green vegetables, nuts, etc. And if you are not eating proper amount of vitamins A, night blindness disease can happen. Okay, what happens in this disease is night blindness, blurry vision when driving in the dark. Okay, जब आप अंधेरे में ड्राइविंग करते हैं, okay, तो आपका जो विजन है वो कैसा हो जाता है? ब्लरी मीन्स आपको धुंधला दिखाई देने लगता है, क्लियर दिखाई नहीं देता. Okay, and difficulty seeing in places with dim light. ऐसे places जहां पर की dim light है, जो लाइट है वो बहुत ज्यादा ब्राइट नहीं है, तो आपका जो विजन है वो ब्लरी हो जाता है, आपको प्रॉपरली दिखाई नहीं देता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ विटामिन इज विटामिन बी, एंड द function of vitamin B is proper growth and development, proper function of nervous system. And the food item which is rich in vitamins B are cereals, pulses, nuts, and vegetables. And if you are not eating proper amount of vitamin B, the very disease can happen. Okay, in this disease our nerves are weak, our nerves and muscles are going weak. Next type of vitamin is vitamin C. Vitamin C, that is function of vitamin C, it keeps our gums healthy. Okay, हमारे जो gums हैं, मसूड़े जिन्हें हम कहते हैं, जहाँ पर हमारे जो tooth हैं या teeth हैं जो fix रहते हैं, ये हमारे gums को healthy रखने में help करता है. And the sources of these food items are tomato, orange, lemons, and amla. And if you are not eating proper amount of vitamin C, it can disease scurvy. Okay, मीन्स इस डिजीज में क्या होता है, आपके जो गम्स हैं उनमें से ब्लीडिंग होने लगती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ विटामिन इज विटामिन डी, एंड इट कीप आवर teeth and bones strong. And sources of vitamin D are milk and milk products and non-veg vegetables, food items, and sunlight. Okay, and diseases can happen are indicates that it means इस disease में क्या होता है, हमारी जो bones हैं वो weak हो जाती है. Okay, now we discuss about some minerals. First one is iron, and iron makes blood and purify blood. What is the function of iron? Make blood and purify blood. And the sources of food items are spinach, methi leaves, coriander, jaggery, nuts, mint, dates, pomegranate, fish, etc. And second one types of minerals is calcium. It makes our teeth and bones strong. And the sources of foods are milk and milk products. Third type of minerals are potassium. It makes nervous system and muscles work properly. And green vegetables and citrus fruits and milk products. Now, next type of minerals is iodine, and it helps in proper functioning of thyroid gland. And sources of foods are salt and seafood, etc. Now, why is proper nutrition important? जो nutrition है वो हमारे लिए क्यों important है? Because good nutrition can help us to stay healthy and fit, and it can also reduce the risk of some diseases. Proper nutrition help us to maintain a healthy body weight, and nutritious foods provide our body and mind the energy needed to grow, feel well, be active, stay healthy, and learn. Now our next topic is balanced diet. So a diet which contains all the nutrients in right amount is called a balanced diet. All the nutrients means like such as carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and ruffles. Okay. ये सभी जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं ये इंपॉर्टेंट हैं एंड ये जिस डाइट में सभी तरह के जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो राइट अमाउंट में प्रेजेंट होते हैं उसे ही हम क्या कहते हैं बैलेंस्ड डाइट कहते हैं ओके यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं डिफरेंट जो फूड आइटम्स हैं आपको डिफरेंट अमाउंट्स में उन्हें ईट करना होता है ओके तभी आप एक बैलेंस डाइट ले पाते हैं यस आदित्य अनम्यूट योर डिवाइस बेटा What is balanced diet? The food that we eat is called our diet, and a diet that has all the nutrients in right amount is called a balanced diet. And all the food we eat can be divided into 3 food groups. First one is energy giving food. इस group में हम carbohydrates and fats को include करते हैं. Second one is bodybuilding food, and we have included proteins in this group. And third one is protective food, that is vitamins and minerals को हम protective food group में रखेंगे. We should eat variety of food items daily from each food group to stay healthy. Okay, हमें healthy रहने के लिए जो भी हमने food group discuss किए हैं like energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods, इन सभी तरह के food items को हमें eat करना पड़ता है. Okay, to stay healthy. Now next one is cooking food. Food is cooked to make it soft, easy to digest and tasty. Cooking kills the germ present in food, and overcooking destroys nutrients. Fruits and vegetables that we cook and eat raw should be washed properly. And we use different methods for cooking like steaming, frying, baking, boiling and roasting. Different food items are cooked by different method. Idlis are steamed, puris are fried, cakes and biscuits are baked, rice is boiled and meat is roasted. Okay, so different जो food items हैं उनका cooking का जो process है या method है वो भी different होता है. Clear? एंड कुकिंग हम क्यों करते हैं? कुकिंग किल द जर्म्स प्रेजेंट इन द फूड। ओके, जो कुकिंग है वो फूड में प्रेजेंट जो जर्म्स हैं उन्हें किल करती है। बट हमें किसी भी फूड आइटम्स को ओवर कुक नहीं करना है, बहुत ज्यादा नहीं पकाना चाहिए, अदरवाइज उसके जो न्यूट्रिएंट्स हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं। ओके, एंड ऐसे फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स जिन्हें कि हम रो मीन्स कच्चा ईट करते हैं, ठीक है, उन्हें हम कुक नहीं करते हैं, तो ऐसे जो भी फूड आइटम्स हैं उन्हें हमें प्रॉपरली वॉश करना चाहिए। ओके, so today we have discussed about water and surface, and also discussed about three type of food groups, that is energy giving foods, body building foods, and protective foods. Okay, and we have also discussed about cooking methods or cooking food. I hope you all have understood about today's topic. So we will continue our next topic in our next class, and tomorrow I will show you a video related to balanced diet. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself, and thank you very much and have a good day.